How do labor and capital affect potential output? Have you ever wondered how the economy can produce more goods and services? The answer lies in understanding potential output and the roles of labor and capital. Let's break it down. Potential output is the maximum level of goods and services an economy can produce when all resources are used efficiently. Labor and capital are two key factors that influence this potential output. First, let's talk about labor. The size and quality of the workforce play a significant role. When more people are willing to work, the economy can produce more. But it's not just about having more workers. The skills, education, and health of the workforce matter too. This is often referred to as human capital. When workers are better educated and skilled, they can produce more in the same amount of time. Next, we have capital. This refers to the physical assets like machinery, buildings, and infrastructure that workers use to create goods and services. More capital per worker usually leads to higher productivity. For example, if a worker has access to advanced machinery, they can produce more than if they were using outdated tools. Investment in capital is essential. When businesses invest in new machines or technology, they increase their capital stock. This, in turn, raises potential output. However, it is important to note that capital does not last forever. It depreciates over time, so regular maintenance and replacement are necessary to keep potential output steady. Now, how do labor and capital work together? Potential output growth can be modeled by looking at the growth of labor supply and capital stock, along with total factor productivity. Total factor productivity measures how efficiently labor and capital are combined. When both labor and capital grow, potential output increases. Government policies can also impact potential output. For instance, policies that encourage more people to join the workforce can boost labor supply. Similarly, promoting investment in infrastructure can enhance capital accumulation. In summary, labor and capital are fundamental in determining the economy's capacity to produce goods and services. A larger and more skilled workforce, combined with better tools and equipment, leads to a greater potential output. Understanding these relationships helps us see how economies can grow and thrive.